Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A54, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I do want to mention one thing. Typically, this would allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set, but by the looks of it, I tried to boot into recovery mode from the lock screen 3 times, and it just doesn't do it. If you manage to boot your device into recovery mode from the lock screen, then obviously you can get rid of the lock screen, but like I said, for me it seems to not be the case, so let's see if that actually makes any difference if I have it unlocked. So anyway, once you turn off your device, which is what you want to do, you then want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the ZTE logo, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up, and yep, that boots us into recovery mode. So one thing that I can give you maybe that will help, though I haven't checked it myself, if you have a lock screen and you're failing to boot into this mode, you could, instead of turning off your device, forcibly reboot it by holding power button and volume down when it's on, and once basically the phone shuts off completely, you switch from volume down to volume up, and maybe that will boot you into the recovery mode. From here, once you're in here, everything kind of becomes easier. So using volume buttons, you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with the power button, select factory data reset, again confirm that, give it a moment, and you can see it tells us data wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more, and this will initiate the reboot and continue the resetting of the device in the background. This will take about a minute or 2 to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.